Welcome to Treacherous Path. Granddaddy Sam. Barack Hussein Obama. Did you know that that's our former president's name? That's his whole name. Barack Hussein Obama. Yeah, we voted for that. That was our president. He was in office. I remember. I was here. Did you know that he came out yesterday, Barack Hussein Obama? I'm having trouble talking when I say his name for some reason. Said yesterday that aliens are 100% real. And that's our former president. And he's saying that aliens are 100% real. And then it flips to Trump. And they ask Trump the same question. And they say, Mr. Trump, Barack Hussein Obama said that aliens, beings from other worlds, are not only real, but they're here. Is that true? And Donald Trump said, well, he just released classified information and he's not supposed to do that. And so did you. Finally, the American people get an ounce of truth. So there you go. Two presidents claiming that not only aliens are real, but they're here, and we're harboring them. Yeah. There's your disclosure. Full disclosure. The best you're ever going to get. Other than being butt probed yourself, which may be in your future. Just saying. Aliens are real. It says in the Bible very clearly that in the end, all will be revealed. They're not aliens. They're demons. And it's quite simple to understand what's going on here. It's biblical. And you're all about to die. Treacherous Path out.